Hey guys, Zach McDonough here. I'm at 383 Solars Wharf in Lusby, Maryland. I got an awesome rental here that is hit the market. We're getting ready to sign a lease on this space, but I wanted to show you it and talk through this space like an investor would talk through the space and understand functionality. Some people like these details, some people hate it. This might be the video for you if you like houses and you like finishes. So here we are in this nice open concept space here. I love it. It's fantastic. I'm gonna tell you 3 things I like, and I'm gonna tell you 1 thing that I wish I would change. So, going through here, absolutely so cool to look at this space, what was done. Before, this was all chopped up, classic kind of time of its era. It's just all chopped up walls, etc. This has all been opened up. For every investor that's thinking look to reinvent a space, we obviously always need a utility space here. So here's where your washer and dryer would go. Maybe you can put some racks over top here to have some more storage. And then you have this nice big island, eat-in kitchen, obviously a really obvious space where you'd put a sectional and a TV or a TV stand or some sort of, hey, how do we entertain? I love they're not oversized cabinets, but a little bit bigger than your average cabinets. These are 36-inch tall cabinets, and then the crown molding is sweet. The grays are very palatable. Things that people really like. The big, wide, some people will call it a farm sink. It's great. People love these. I like that it faces towards everyone else, so when you're entertaining, that's great. This kitchen also has a lot of storage, considering there is cabinets on the back side here, so they're double cabinet, and then they put this nice, beautiful panel here. French door, refrigerator is fantastic. Electric stove with the microwave over top. So of course here you have your closet that I would call it the throw it in the closet, where everybody's got one, hey, just throw it in there kind of thing. Here they did a great job. So originally there was 1 bathroom up here. It was a 3-bed, 1 bath up here. And these guys did a great job reinventing this space. Here would be a toddler's bedroom, nothing super exciting, or a kid's bedroom, whatever. And then here they did this really nice, just nice finishes. Everything's clean. I love that they put the little spot here for where you put your soaps and all that stuff like that. I'm a huge fan of that. And so everything's just nice, palatable grays, easy, kind of bright colors or light colors, so people will like it. It kind of gives them a sense of warmth, etc. So I really like how they did this. This is a really nice laid out bathroom. Everybody, when you renovate a property, you want to have a bathroom with a tub, because people, there's kids and kids need tubs. So here's your second bedroom. They got these beautiful casing windows. I think these are fantastic. They're super great. I don't know, they're just bigger. I like that they're bigger windows than your average space would have. So moving forward, here we are entering into the master bedroom and or primary. Some people that are a little bit more, let's call it progressive would say primary. Here we have this classic. So this is where I go, this is where the real value add happens as an investor, is creating space or really optimizing space. So they've created this nice full bathroom for the parents or whoever is the primary person here. So smartly they have this 24-inch vanity, but it's a shallow vanity. Usually vanities are about 22 inches deep, so it will usually come out to here, but it's not too tight when they have this kind of less deep vanity. So I really like that. And then furthermore, they put this nice custom shower in, so that it's when you walk in here, it's really not that tight. It's perfect for a single person being in here. You're not having any mommy and daddy time in here per se, but it is a nice space, and this is why it's primed to go, hey, how do we find space that's there, because it's ultimately there. So again, great custom pan. Tile looks great. Tile work looks clean. Another place for your soaps and stuff like that. I like that. So overall, this space is just a great space. So let's talk about a few things I like, a few things I changed. 1, I love the master bath. I think it's great to have the custom pan. Super great. I love the color tones in the bathrooms. I think they're really, really palatable. So that maybe you call that 1 and 2. And then I'm not usually a big fan of gray floors, but I love these gray floors because they have like the different wood grain and stuff like that. So it's got a little bit more class than just your normal, like, I would call it hospital gray floors. So a lot of times people have. And then let's say, so those are my 1 and 2, or how about this? I'll make a bonus one for number 4 would be, I really like this open space layout here. I think it's really nice. I think the way that the kitchen overlooks the rest of the space is clean, and I think the island is massive, and I love that. The last thing I probably would change about the kitchen is I'd probably make this overhang more so people can still enjoy this space and use it as a bar. So I probably would have built this out a little bit, a little wider, and I probably would have had this came so people could sit here and enjoy it here as well, because they really can't because there's no overhang. But it's a beautiful kitchen. It's a great space. Guys, that's everything. Thanks for watching. This is a great space. I would love